Okay, shall we start with the class? Okay, so you all have PDF with you, Mux, right? We were doing with Mux. You all have the PDF with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right? Present now. Right? See, Mux we had done, right? We had done up till here. We had designed 16 is to 1 Mux using 8 is to 1 Mux. Okay, 16 is to 1 Mux using 4 is to 1 Mux. We had designed in the last to last class. Okay, and this also we had done. Was there any problem in this? Up till here, is there any problem in this? See, last class we had done with comparators. Okay, yesterday we finished with the comparators. Okay, but before that we had left the multiplexers. Okay, that multiplexers will continue today. Okay, up till here we had done. Is there any doubt up till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. So now we'll continue the important part here. Okay, important concept. Now, how to use mux as Boolean function generators. Okay, now we need to use the multiplexers using Boolean function generator. So how we can implement this? Okay, see, a mux consists of a set of AND gates whose outputs are connected to single OR gate. Okay, this is what is a mux. Okay, multiple input and only one output is your multiplexer. Because of this construction, and Boolean function in a SOP form can be easily realized using mux. Right? How to realize that we'll see today. Now, here each AND gate in a mux represents a mean term. Okay, SOP is here, it means it is a mean term. Now, in a 8 to 1 mux, there are 3 select inputs. Okay, in 8 to 1 mux, there are 3 select inputs and 23 mean terms. Okay, now by connecting the function variables directly to select inputs, a mux can be made to select the AND gate that corresponds to the minimum, that corresponds to respective mean term in the function. Okay, now how to implement this? See, if a mean term exists in a function, we have to connect the AND gate data input to logic 1. Otherwise, we connect it to 0. Okay, so this is a procedure, right? I'll implement this here and then you can understand what I have written here. Okay, see. So first we have to implement this function f of xyz is equal to summation 0 to 67 using a multiplexer. Okay. So what we do, step 1 is select the multiplexer. Here Boolean expression has 3 variables. See, you can see here x, y, z. ठीक है? You are understanding? मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ समझ में आ रहा है?
Ma'am,
Sanskrit.
hello. Shamir, ma'am.
Who? Samira. Yeah. Okay. You are understanding what I am telling? Sanket?
Yes, ma'am.
So see here we are asked to implement this given function which is a 3 variable function using a multiplexer. So first work step 1 is to select a multiplexer. Okay, so we have to select a multiplexer. Okay, which has three variables. See here, Boolean expression has three variables, which is x, y, z. Okay. Therefore, we require 8 to 1 marks. Okay. So we require 8 to 1 marks. Now, connect the inputs corresponding to present mean terms to logic 1. Matlab, which all are the mean terms present here? 0, 2, 6, 7 present hai na? So what we'll do? See here step. If a mean term exists in a function, we have to connect it to logic 1. Okay, otherwise we connect it to 0. So, what you have to do? You have to draw a mux. Okay, 8 is to 1 mux means there will be 2 power 3. 8 is what? 2 power 3. It means 2 power 3 inputs and 3 select lines. Okay, by definition of our mux, it is a device which converts 2 power n inputs to 1 output with n input lines. Okay, n select lines. Okay, so 8 inputs, 3 select lines. 3 select lines XYZ are given to here S0, S1, S2, and there are 8 inputs, 1 output. Now, how to connect 8 inputs? If you have the mean terms existing in the Boolean function, okay, you connect it to logic 1. So 0 to 6, 7. See, 8 is to 1 mux ka 0 se 7 tak I have given the input. So 0, 2, 6, 7 you have to connect to logic 1, and the remaining which are not present you connect it to logic 0 or we connect it to ground. Okay, समझ में आया? It's easy. Sai Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Understood?
Hi. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right? So everyone, this was easy, right? So if you get a 8 is to 1 marks, right? See here we have selected 8 is to 1 marks. So what you have to do, you have to, whatever mean terms are existing here, you connect it to logic 1. Whichever are not present, you connect it to logic 0. So this is how we implement a Boolean function using a mux. Okay. Now, implement the Boolean function represented by the given truth table using mux. Here, they have bit twisted the question, but things remain same. See, they have given the truth table instead of this mean term. I say, instead of this mean term, they have given us a truth table. So here, we know that for this truth table, what it is? Mean terms 1, 2, 5, 7. You all can you all write mean terms for this? All of you write mean terms for this. For the truth table, write the mean term. You all have taken down the truth table. Have you taken down the truth table? Have you all taken down the truth table? बोलते नहीं बाबा बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Now write the mean terms involved here. Who all have written? Tell me the mean terms. टेल मी द मीन टर्म्स. कौन कौन से मीन टर्म्स हियर? ट्रुथ टेबल देख के नहीं बता सकते? SOP. When is your SOP 1? SOP 1 कभी होता है? ओके राइट. हियर विल फिनिश द टॉपिक मल्टीप्लेक्सर्स. ठीक है, एग्जाम में जो आएगा तुम लोग कर लो, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट आंसरिंग राइट.
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, मीन टर्म क्या है इसका? फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल कब का खत्म हो चुका है? See, if you all do not reply, I will not take any of the classes. Directly you have to attend the exam. See.
I'm sorry मैम, we are doing.
Doing क्या दिख रहा है ना इधर? You can see. मीन टर्म
Ma'am,
पूछ रही हूँ मैं खाली.
1257.
हाँ,
Sorry मैम.
या
Ma'am,
Why?
1257. 257.
5 7. ठीक है. So these are the mean terms. ठीक है. I hope इतना तो आता है तुम लोगों को अभी. हाँ, because you people do not answer ना. अपने लिए क्लास ले रही हूँ मैं. हाँ, ठीक है. So this is mean term 1257. Okay. So what I have done here? Oh, just a minute. Huh. So what I have done here, see, I have implemented 8 to 1 marks. Okay, 8 to 1 marks matlab you should have 8 inputs, matlab 2 power 3 inputs, 3 select lines and 1 output. Okay, and what I did, what is my mean term? 1257. Okay. Okay, see. So 1, 2, 5 and 7. I have taken these outputs 1, 2, 5, 7 and I have connected it to logic 1. Okay, and जो बचा वाला mean term है 0, 3, 4 and 6 I have connected to logic 0 or you can ground it. समझ में आया ये?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है. Should I proceed or you want to analyze this?
No मैम, proceed मैम.
Okay. ठीक है. Right. Now, again, you all try this. Implement the Boolean function using 4:1 marks. See, this is 4:1 marks, okay? इसकी तरह ये पहले वाले की तरह. See, this was what we had done. 8:1 marks किया था. So 8:1 में क्या हुआ था? See, 8:1 में whatever function was given was a 3 variable function. Okay, so हमें problem नहीं आया था because 8 inputs थे. But here you are asked to implement this 3 variable function using only 4:1 marks. समझ में आ रहा है? Using only 4:1 marks, you have to implement this 3 variable function. ठीक है? So what you have to do here is, see, 4:1 marks के लिए कितना input चाहिए? How many inputs you need for 4:1 marks?
4.
4 inputs. 4 inputs means 2 power 2. Okay, it means 4 input and 2 select lines. Okay, so what we have to do in this case is, out of these 3 variables, 2 variables you keep as select lines. Okay, so see, 2 variables. Okay, I have not written here B, C. ये देखो S1 S0 जो है ना, here you have to write B and C. समझ में आ रहा है? here it is you have to write B and C, and only one input or one variable A, you keep it, okay, so that we configure it properly. Okay, now see, step 1, connect the least significant variables as a select inputs. Okay, see, A, B, C, priority कैसे होता है? A, B, C. So least significant variable क्या हुआ? B, C. So step 1 is connect the least significant variable as select inputs of multiplexers. So connect C to S0 and B to S1. Okay, here I forgot to write it. So S0 you have to connect it to C and S1 you have to connect it to B. Up till here was it understood? समझ में आया क्या बोल रही हूँ?
मैम ये सेलेक्ट लाइंस का और एक बार बताइए.
Okay, see, when you are implementing a multiplexer, okay, a multiplexer is a device, okay, multiplexer is a device which is having, okay, screen is visible, right?
Yes ma'am.
See, multiplexer is a device which is having, by definition, 2 power n, okay, 2 power n inputs, okay, and select lines, okay, and one output. Okay, this concept you should remember. Okay, a multiplexer is a device which is having 2 power n inputs, n select lines and 1 output. Okay, this is definition of a multiplexer. So if you come back here, okay, see, you are asked to draw a 4:1 mark. So 4 matlab kya hua? 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 matlab in this case it is 2 power 2 means 2 power 2 inputs, n is 2, so 2 select lines and 1 output. Okay, 4 inputs and 2 select lines and 1 output. Now, since, see, here what we had done in previous numerical, since this was 8:1 marks and ये 3 variable function दिया था, this was a 3 variable function, so हम लोग को problem नहीं आया here. We did not face a problem because it was directly 2 power 3, which would give me 8 inputs. But here 3 variable I have to implement using 4:1 marks. ठीक है? So what I am doing, the least significant bits out of A, B, C, A is the most significant variable, B and C are less significant variables as compared to A. So A, B, C में से B and C you have to select. See here, 2 select lines I need to implement a 4:1 marks. So मैं क्या करती हूँ? Least significant variables I choose it to be the select lines. So what you have to do? C you have to connect to S0 and B you have to connect to S1. Is it clear up till here now?
Yes ma'am.
Only B and C I am talking. Okay. Abhi A I have to configure. A I have not yet configured. A I have to configure. Okay. So this is our step 1. So step 1 mein what I do? In my step 1, okay, step 1 is first I draw a multiplexer. Okay, this is my step 1 I am doing. Multiplexer, we know that it is having, it's a 4:1 marks, right? So it is having 4 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it will have 4 inputs and it will have 1 output. Okay, it will have 1 output and we know that 4 matlab 2 square and it will have 2 select lines. Okay, 2 select lines, and we know that any IC to be active I should have one enable signal. Okay, so what I have done, I have taken inputs as D0, then I have 4 inputs ना, D0 हुआ, D1 हुआ, then I have D2, sorry, D2, and I have D3. Okay, these are my 4 inputs, and I have 2 select lines. One is S0, one is S1. Okay, S1. So according to the step 1, we say connect the least significant variables as select inputs of the multiplexer. So connect C to S0 and B to S1. So what I have done, I have connected C to S0 and I have connected B to S1. Up till here, is it clear? Is it understood up till here? Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
we know there is one output which would give me a function f of ABC, f of A, comma B, comma C. Okay, now see, I have used the variables B and C, and this is my enable bar. Okay, इधर एक bubble चाहिए मुझे. Okay, I have to put enable bar ना, so I have to put a bubble and I'll ground it. Okay, I have to put a bubble here and I will ground it. Okay, now see, now I have to see, I have used 2 variables BC. Okay, however A use नहीं किया मैंने, I have not used A yet. So to use A, what I have to do is I have to put something called as implementation table. Okay, I have to put the implementation table. Okay, so what is this implementation table? Okay, so we'll go back here, right? So see, implementation table is nothing but the list of all inputs of a multiplexer, and under them list of all the minterms in 2 rows. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create 2 rows. Okay, I'll create 2 rows. Right, I have created 2 rows. Now how many minterms are there? D0, D1, D2, D3 है ना. So here you write down D0, D1, D2 and D3. I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
हाँ, so you have to draw a implementation table. इसके लिए क्या करना है, 2 rows you have to draw 2 rows and you have to mention the minterms. Okay, D0, D1, D2, D3 are my 4 inputs. Okay, and here you have to write the left out variable in its complemented and uncomplemented form. Okay, so left out variable, see I have used B and C, so I am left out with A. Okay, so I'll write it in complemented form first. Okay, and I'll write it in uncomplemented form. Is it understood up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have to write all the minterms. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only this thing you have to do. Okay. Right? Understood? This is how it is to be written. Up till here, if it is clear? Up till here, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you do? Now, what you do here, I'll go to the PDF. See. The first row lists all the minterms where A is in complemented, and the second row lists all the minterms with A uncomplemented. So we have done that. A complemented and here A uncomplemented. Right? Now, the minterms given in the function are circled and then each column is inspected separately. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to encircle. Okay, what are the minterms? 1, 2, 5, 7 are my minterms. 1, 2, 5, 7 or 1, 2, 5, 6. Which numerical you are doing? Okay, see 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 6 are the given minterms. I'll just copy this here. Okay, we are doing this 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, now we are implementing this. So, what you have to do? You have to encircle 1, 3, 5 and 6. So, 1, 3, okay, 5, 1, 3, 5 and 6. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 6. Up till here, is it understood what I did?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Huh. Now what you have to do is go back to PDF, this one. Okay, see what it is written here. See, if the two minterms in the column are not circled, then 0 is applied to the corresponding multiplexer input. It means what? See, is there any column where none of the variables are encircled?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, it was the first one, D naught, है ना? इधर दोनों भी सर्कल नहीं किया हमने, ठीक है? So in this case, what you have to do? You have to write 0 here. Okay, 0 is applied to this corresponding multiplexer input. ठीक है? So this column is 0. Okay, now if two minterms in a column are circled, then 1 is applied to the corresponding multiplexer. So what we'll do now? You have to see, right? See, इधर D1 जो है, here I have encircled both 1 and 5, दोनों encircle है. So I'll write 1 here. Okay, I'll write 1 here. Now, third, if the minterm in the second row is circled and the minterm in the first row is not circled, then A is applied to the corresponding multiplexer input. So what I'll do, if the minterm in the second row is circled, matlab 6 is circled, however 2 is not circled. So in this case, we have to apply A. Okay, and if the mean term in the first row is circled and the mean term in the second row is not circled, A bar is applied to the corresponding multiplexer. So देखो mean term in the first row is circled, okay, however second row का 7 is not circled. So in this case what I'll do, I'll apply A bar. समझ में आया यहाँ तक?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what we'll do, I'll go back to this, referring to this, I'll draw, I'll give the inputs to this. So D naught कहाँ connect करना है? See, D naught, I have to connect it to D naught, I have connected to logic 0. Okay. Now see, D naught here, I have connected it to logic 0. D1, I have to connect it to logic 1. Okay. So D1, I'll connect it to logic 1. Okay. Next, D2, I'll connect it to A. D2, I will connect it to A. And D3, see here, D3, I'll connect it to A bar. D3, I will connect it to A bar. समझ में आया अभी? Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, good. Right, so what we have implemented? We have implemented the given Boolean function using 4:1 mux. 4:1 mux. Okay, understood how to implement this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, take. So see, I have taken a function is given f of ABC. You have to implement 1, 3, 5, 6. So what I have done, B and C I selected to give it to inputs. Here in the PDF I have forgot, please write it here. S0 you connect it to C, S1 you connect it to B. Enable input is necessary, 1 is your output. So B and C I have used. A I had to configure. So to configure A, I made use of the implementation table, and how to write with the implementation table, I have given you the procedure here. Okay, so we'll continue with this, right? Same method. The next numerical. Now see, you are asked to implement the following Boolean function using 8 to 1 mux. ठीक है, 8 to 1. See, 8 to 1 mux बोला है. अगर 3 वेरिएबल फंक्शन होता था, इफ इट वाज अ 3 वेरिएबल फंक्शन सिमिलर टू दिस न्यूमेरिकल, दिस ओनली ना, हाँ, दिस न्यूमेरिकल, सी 3 वेरिएबल था, 8 to 1 mux था, विच एवर मीन टर्म्स आर ऑकरिंग, डायरेक्टली आई वुड हैव कनेक्टेड इट टू लॉजिक 1, राइट? विच एवर मीन टर्म इज नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग, आई वुड हैव कनेक्टेड इट टू 0. ठीक है, बट इधर क्या हुआ है, हियर see, here what happens, it's a 4 variable function. Actually we need 16:1 mux, correct? 4 means what? 2 power 4. It means I need actually 16:1 mux, but here you are asked to use only 8:1 mux. Okay, so in this case what you'll do, 8 means what? 2 power 3. Okay, I'll come back here, Control C. So here what I'll do, I'm asked to implement, I'm asked to use implement it using 8:1. 8:1 means 2 power 3. 8 means 2 power 3 inputs. I should have 3 select lines and 1 output. Okay, so the procedure इसकी तरह same रहेगा procedure. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll first do this. Okay, but in this case this is a 8:1 mux. Okay, 8:1 mux, right? So 2 power 3 input देना पड़ेगा मुझे. Okay, first I have to give 2 power 3 inputs. So what I'll do, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 input हुआ, and I know, see, I should have 3 select lines. One select line, the second select line, and the third select line, and I should have one output. So I am giving one output. Now select lines कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? Select lines are actually, see, S0 S1 select lines. I'll write S0 S1 and S2. 3 select lines है ना अभी हमको. So these are my 3 select lines. Okay, select lines को from this which variable shall I connect? From this which variable should I connect?
B, C, D.
Yes, you have to connect B, C, D. Okay, so I'll connect B. Sorry, right? B, C, D, right? So इसको S0 को मेरा D आएगा, right? What we had done here, S0 C, see, S0 को C, S1 को B. So here I'll connect it D, then B, C to S1 and B to S2. ठीक है, up till here is it understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, enable line.
हाँ, enable एक डालना है, करेक्ट. कंट्रोल C, कंट्रोल V, एक enable डालती हूँ. Okay, this is my enable control. One is my enable. Okay, one is my enable. Enable bar है, हाँ, ये enable है. PDF you please, I have forgot to put the enable line. ठीक है, enable डाल लो उधर. Right, enable you connect it to ground. इसकी तरह करो. Enable bar a buffer and you connect it to ground. Okay, and my inputs, right, would be D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7 are my inputs. ठीक है, now see, BCD configure हो गया. Okay, but I have not used A. So what I'll do, I'll again put a implementation table. My step 2 is what? To put a implementation table. इधर कितने variables हैं? 16 है, right? 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 I'll put. This is, inputs are 7, right? D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay, these are my inputs. Okay, these are my inputs. Now here one row in a complemented form, and the other row in a uncomplemented form. ठीक है, this procedure is understood by everyone, I hope so. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. ये प्रोसीजर समझ में आया ना? Everyone understood this procedure, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अभी, right, this is basic. Okay, ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया. अभी what I have to connect to D1 to D7, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to this. See, the function given is in the complicated form. Okay, it's not in the simplified form. A bar B D bar दिया है plus A C D plus B bar C D plus A bar C bar D. So what you have to do, you have to first simplify this expression. Okay, so what I did, A B D bar को see C is missing, you have to bring it to standard SOP form. Okay, you have to bring it to standard SOP form. So I have done A B kept as it is, C C bar and D bar. Then A, here in this second one B term is missing, so I multiplied B plus B bar. In this term, A bar was missing, so I multiplied it with A plus A bar. Here, B plus B bar. Okay, so I get it simplified in this way. Right? See, this is from module 1. I think you all can derive this part. इधर तक हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see, once you bring it to the simplified SOP form, we'll write the mean term. Okay. See, A bar B C D 0 1 1 0. Okay, it corresponds to 6. 0 1 0 0 corresponds to 4. 1 1 1 1 corresponds to 15. 1 0 1 1 corresponds to 11. Okay, 0 0 1 1 corresponds to 3. 0 1 0 1 corresponds to 5. Then 1 0 0 0 1 corresponds to 1. Okay, so I get summation M is 6 4 15 11 3 5 1. Okay, and I have rearranged it here. So the mean term which I have obtained from this given expression is 1 3 4 5 6 11 15. Is it understood up till here, deriving the mean term?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. उसके बाद क्या? Here I'll come back to the implementation table. I'll go on circling the given mean terms. क्या क्या दिया उसने? 1. We have got it to be 1. Okay. Then 3. Okay. Then I have 3. Then I have 4. I'll come to 4. 1 3 4 5 6, right? Control V. 5 I'll do. Okay, I'll do 6. 1 3 4 5 6 11. 11 I have here, and 15. Okay, 11 and 15. ठीक है? अभी I'll again go back to the procedure where if none of this is circled, none of the columns is encircled, what we apply? We apply a 0 to that input. Okay, we apply a 0 to that input. So this row, see, 0 and 8 both are not circled. तो मैंने क्या किया? I applied 0. I'll search here. See, 2 and 10 भी कुछ नहीं है. So I write a 0 here. Okay, and if both are circled, I write a 1 here. Okay, now if first row is circled, what I'll write? If first row is circled, I have to write A bar. I have to write A bar. Okay, here also first row is circled. Okay, here 4 और 12 में first row is circled. So again I'll write a bar here. Okay, 5 and 13 में 5 is circled. So again I'll write a bar for this column also. 6 14 में 6 is circled. So again I'll write a bar for this also. However, last वाले में only second row is circled. So I have to write only A. Okay, this part is clear. See, this is my, yes. Okay, this is my implementation table. Abhi, what I'll do? I'll go back to this. Okay, I'll come back to this and I'll connect it according to my implementation table. Okay, see 0, D0 and D2 are connected to 0. D0 and D2. Okay, D0 and D2 are connected to logic 0, नहीं तो ground करो, any of this. Okay, you connect it to ground. Okay, I put the encoder here. Okay, right, D0 and D2. Now D0 D2 see D3 is connected to logic 1. D3 I'll directly connect it to logic 1. Okay, D3 is connected to logic 1. Next, see D1, D4, D5, D6. So what I'll do here, okay, so I'll take one, else I'll go to the PDF. Okay, see I've implemented it here. मैंने क्या किया, A I have taken. Okay, so see D1 is connected to A bar, D1, D4, D5, D6. See A एक लिया, A uncomplimented एक है और A complemented है. So I've connected D1, D4, D5, D6 to A bar. Okay, and only D7 is connected to A. See D7 is connected to A. Okay, this you don't put a node, इसको नीचे लाके 0 पे ऐड करो. Okay, 0 I have done. This signal to D0, see D0 को जो है 0 है. Okay, I have written here 0, but mistakenly I have connected it to A. Okay, don't do this. D0 you connect it to 0. समझ में आ रहा है? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. So this is how you have to implement a mux.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Yes. Okay. See now next problem numerical is also same. अभी तक हम लोग मीन टर्म्स कर रहे थे. Now we are doing the max term. The next part, implement the Boolean function with 8:1 multiplexer. Here again, see it is 8:1. 4 variable function है. अगर 16:1 होता था तो directly whatever is given, those I have connected it to 1, and whatever mean term is not given, I would have connected it to 0. ठीक है? But here it is a 4 variable function and asked to implement 8:1. So out of A, B, C, D, B, C, D I will connect it to select lines. A I will configure using implementation table. Okay. Now since it is a max term and not a mean term, see only difference is encircle the max terms which are not in the Boolean function. ठीक है? So implementation table में क्या करेंगे हम लोग? See 1 is not given, so I encircle 1. 2 is not given, so I'll encircle 2. 4 is not given, so I'll circle 4. 5 है. 6 is also not here. I have to circle 6 also. Okay, 6 is also not here, so I'll circle 6. 7 is also not here. I have to circle 7. Okay, then 10 is here. 8, 9 is not here. 9, 8, 9 हुआ, 10 हुआ. 11 is not here, so I circle 11. 12 is here, so I have not circled it. 13 is not here, so I have circled it. 14 है, so I have not circled it, and 15 नहीं है, so I have circled it. ठीक है? Right with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So then you have to implement this. ठीक है? Same procedure. ये जो किया same procedure. Only you have to check with this. Okay, only you have to check with circling the max terms which are not given. Okay, so this was the same. Now one more type where you have asked to implement a 4 variable function in which don't care is also given. अभी तक जो किया समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक. सी इसका करेक्शन करोगे. Once again I'll send you the PDF. Okay, don't refer this. I'll send you one more PDF once again after the class. Okay, because I've done a mistake here. D6 को भी मुझे करना था सर्कल, but I have not done. Okay, 6 is not here. इसको सर्कल करना है, तो थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा ये. ठीक है, I'll send you this one once again. Now, implement the Boolean function when you have been given with a don't care. You have a don't care. See, we know that don't cares can be treated as zeros or ones. Here, BCD, it's a 4 variable function asked to implement using 8:1 mux. So what we'll do? BCD, I'll connect it to select lines, S0, S1, S2. A, I will configure using the implementation table. Okay, A, I'll configure using implementation table. So what I'll do, whatever is given here, 0, 2, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so that I'll encircle first. उसको circle करती हूँ. See, 0 I'll circle. Okay, 0 is given. Then what all is given? 2 is given. So 2 को circle किया. 0, 2. 6 को circle किया. Okay, first you circle this. 0, 2, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13 को circle करो पहले. 0, 2, 6, 10, 12 and 13 को circle करो पहले. Okay, then according to our requirement we use the don't care. Don't care में क्या दिया उसने? 3, 8, 14. Okay, now see, 11 circle किया था. Okay, so if I do not circle this, then I would require this to give it to A. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll connect it to, I'll consider it as circle and I'll connect it to logic 1. Okay, I'll connect 3 and I'll connect, see 3 and 11 दोनों circle किया है, so D3 I'll connect it to 1. Okay, similarly 0 circle किया था, 8 circle नहीं किया, then I would have required to use A bar. ठीक है, so what I did, instead of using or increasing the number of gate, what I'll do, I'll encircle 8 also, since it can be considered as don't care, and put it to logic 1, right? And I'll do the same thing with 14. ठीक है, so I've done this. This is the implementation table. Don't care 3, 8 and 14, you can configure it according to you, whether you use it as zeros or you use it for making ones. Don't use it for making A or A bar. Okay, wherever it is possible, use it to make either 0 or 1. Don't use it to make A or A bar. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the implementation of 8:1 mux. Okay, fine up till here.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I have done, okay, right. See, what I have done further are the similar numericals. Okay, you just go through the PDF which I have sent, this all. Okay, ये सारे same numerical है, थोड़ा देख लो इसको. If you have any problem, we'll discuss it on Monday. Okay, for today, shall we finish the class? No replies, it means I can continue the class. Okay, then we'll see all the remaining numericals. Where I was. Let me leave this. Okay. See here also. You all are here, not sleeping, right?
Here, ma'am. We are
No,
here.
ma'am.
So realize the following Boolean function. See, one Boolean function is given 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. You have to realize first using 8:1 mux. Okay? So 8:1 mux में we don't have problem. Okay? It's not ABCD. I think it's ABC. 1 4. See, it is f of ABC. Okay, D नहीं है. I've crossed the D. ठीक है. It is f of ABC. You have to do using 8 to 1 mux. First is using 8 to 1 mux. So what I have done, since it is 8 to 1 mux, okay, I have directly done this. Okay, ABC मैंने select line ले लिया, and the remaining I connected it, whichever 0 1 3 5 7. See 0 1 3 5 and 7 दिया logic 1 को. Whichever mean term is not existing, I have given it to logic 0. D2 D4 D6 I have connected it to logic 0. Okay. However, if I want to implement this 3 variable function ABC using 4:1 mux, what I'll do, B and C I'll configure for select lines, A I'll configure using implementation table. See, it is a 4:1 mux, so I've configured it using A using a implementation table. This is the implementation table, and this is the 4:1 mux. Okay, so 4:1 mux will have 4 inputs: D0, D1, D2, D3. If you want, you can connect the second D0, D1, D2, D3, but anyhow it is not connected. See, NC not connected. इसको नहीं भी डाला तो चलेगा. Okay, इसको नहीं भी डाला तो चलेगा. And here 2 signal lines B and C. I've connected it to S0 and S1. Here it should be S0. Here it is S1. One output. According to the implementation table, D0 I've connected to A bar. See, D0 I've connected to A bar. D1 I have connected to 1, D1 and D3. See, D1 I brought it, D3 I brought it, connected to logic 1, and D2 I have connected it to logic 0. समझ में आया now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right? The next one is also same. You have a 3 variable function. You have to configure it using 4:1 mux. So BC, see here, BC I have used to configure select lines. Enable I have to connect. See here, wherever I forgot the enable line, please connect the enable line. Okay, here I have forgot, I have not connected. You do it. Here also you have to connect enable bar. See here also you have to connect enable bar. Here enable bar. Wherever I have left, please connect enable bar. Okay. कहाँ पे थी मैं? Where I was here. Right, enable bar. So 1 4 5 7, right, 3 variable. BC I have given it to select lines. A I have to configure using the implementation table. 1 is my output. Okay, guys, just go through this again. 4 variable Y is A D C. It's a 4 variable function. You have to connect. Do it using a 4:1 mux. Okay, you have to do it using a 4:1 mux. So just go through. You have to first simplify this in minimum SOP form. Simplified SOP form I want. Okay, so I got SOP form. Now see here it is said you have to use A and B as select inputs, right? 4:1 मतलब क्या? 2 select inputs you will have. Okay, 2 select input, but it's a 4 variable function. So what you have to do, you have to configure A B हो गया, C D as inputs. So careful while putting the implementation table here. ठीक है? See how I put the implementation table. Here I have taken D0, D1, D2, D3, and here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. See this 1 0 1 1. Okay, implementation table थोड़ा change होता है इधर. Pay attention here. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 I'll write. Now here I'll encircle this 4 5 7 9 11 12 13 15 encircle करती हूँ. So I'll get this. Okay. So whichever row is not circled, you write 0. Now see this row, it is what? C bar D bar. See here, it is C bar D bar plus C bar D. 5 corresponds to C bar D plus CD. Okay, plus CD. So I am left out with C bar plus D. Similarly, D2 का row
Ma'am.